What's going on, y'all? So I've been at the house all morning doing chores, running errands, taking care of family stuff, you know, mainly the household type of stuff. Me and old Steve, we got plans. We're about to go catch some big old titty brim, you know, them old slab daddy hump heads. I'm on the way to Steve's, and if you can't hear, it starts pouring down rain. It ain't dropped a lick the whole time I was at the house. Just as soon as we decide to start to do something, I mean, it is straight coming down. So, I'm already on the way to his house, so I'm about to get there, go over game plan, see how this plays out. I mean, it don't look like it's clearing up anytime soon. I see better skies, ladies and gentlemen. This fishing trip might be a go. You ready to go do the thing, buddy?
Man, I'm ready. About time to get out of the house, get out of this rain.
See that cove over there with like all them falling down trees and shit? Yeah. Next weekend's gonna be the Bream weekend though. Full moon's next weekend. We still gonna give it a try though. Oh shit, I lost my ass. Oh man, my fishing poles must have flew out.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want to do?
Oh shit. You're gonna have to probably back up off of it. Yeah, come to the back.
This is how I broke the trolling motor last time.
Where's your pee hole at?
Man, I don't know. I ain't seen that thing pee in like a year.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I swear.
Well, that ain't good. You're gonna have a juicy little mark on the bottom of it, but do what? I got a sneaker on mine, so.
I don't want to fish with them. I can't cast it anything. No fucking way they already put my damn line.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
No.
Looks like weightless is the way to go. You done got 3 hits. I ain't got 1 yet.
This is how the thing holds.
Oh, finally got my first hit. Look at it. You see them fish up there? Oh, that was you. Ah, little peckerhead.
That all be like the same size.
We're going to eventually get into the biggins.
Yeah, that's what we got planned. I like that one.
Got it. Ah.
That was like a good one too.
It's starting to rain. I need to put my camera bag up.
You're trying to go back to the dock?
Huh?
You're trying to go back to the ramp or what?
Yeah, if you want to.
Oh man. Wait.
Do what? Oh shit!
Oh, dude, got one.
Oh, lost. Dang. I think we might be all right.
Well, I mean, I'm not.
Oh, you good? Oh, hold on. Oh, you guys.
I think there's a dock over here somewhere, dude. I can pull up under that dock. Isn't there a dock over here?
I have no idea.
I'm like 95% sure there's a dock over here. Yep, there it is. Yeah, we'll go pull up under that dock.
Alright.
I don't care. Better than being out here in a lightning storm.
Yeah. But the ramp's about the same distance though.
Storm coming straight through.
It's moving this way or this way?
Straight, it's coming straight that way, looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's not that bad.
Just don't bottom us out on the stump again.
Huh?
Don't bottom us out on another stump.
Ain't gonna try. Swear. Might be blowed out on over.
I think it's going to. It ain't but this one big cloud right here.
We just stayed right up against that thing.
Yeah.
Wind's blowing, or rain's blowing this way.
Yeah.
Stayed on
So
this
as soon as this cloud goes over right here,
You want to just go back in there?
yeah, let's say we do it. No.
We can sit right there under them trees and not get wet.
Yeah. And possibly catch fish right there.
Now clouds like come from that way.
Yeah, but I say those look like they're moving that way.
I don't know.
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
We stay in here or should we go back to the
Stay in here.
Alright, fuck it. We're risking it.
Worst case scenario, we get about a 5 minutes of wet ass on the way back to the ramp.
I got the damn boat tarp under there. I'll put that bitch in my head.
But I guarantee if we were to turn around,
It stopped.
it'd stop.
I mean, I don't really see. All the rain I see is that, look, like from that
Yeah.
over. And it looks like it's kind of blowing that way.
That guy's getting in his truck. He's just pull us like up in there, right there. Oh, here it comes, buddy. Look at it coming.
Oh, shit. Go! God! Go! I'm pulling us up in the grass, man.
That's fine. Here. Here.
Here. Whoa. Alright, no, I'm good. I'm not even getting wet.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good too. Nice.
Fuck that wet shit.
God almighty. Oh.
We can catch some fish here too. We leave our lines in the water.
Yeah.
Something like it.
See what we do for you guys? Just trying to catch a fish, make a video, get soaking wet.
This is probably all that.
Huh?
This is probably all that. Yeah.
Dude, you got us up underneath the perfect limb, son. Oh gosh. Get back up underneath this tree.
It's raining so hard, my fork's about to go on.
This ain't good, buddy.
No. I'm not singing.
We might have to man this thing to the boat ramp. Unless you want to try to wait it out. I mean, it's been off and on. Worth staying?
Yeah, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
We're going to get soaked going back to the boat ramp. Might as well take our chances here and hopefully won't get that bad.
Yeah. I think it's almost over, buddy.
I see the sun coming from that direction.
Yeah.
I'm soaked now. My shirt is, my pants are dry.
Oh. Oh, you got him? Worm snatcher. Alright, Rain Cloud, we keep seeing the end of you, but it's like you ain't getting no smaller. Well, finally got me a little baby one. The camera wasn't even rolling. Little baby Bream. Yeah. Where the big boys at? What the heck is that? Did you hear that? God. A little bit better, not no biggin, but better than that first one. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't even know it. Choked it too, my man. I mean, choked it. Oh, shoot. Oh, another little baby. Got him. No. Ain't no but little babies in here, man. Fellas. Oh shit. I'm starting to believe it's all babies in here. Another little peckerhead. Well, at least we know there's fish back here, though. Wearing them out, boys. Look at that monster. Got him. Got him. Oh, we own him. We own him.
Stop.
Dang it.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, got him.
oh, that one's got a little better one too.
Yeah, try to hold us right here. We might be able to weed through them. Weed through them. Because that one you just caught a little bit better than the rest of them. Dude, I hooked this sucker perfectly through both nose holes. Like, in one nose hole, out the other. Y'all check that out. Like a freaking nose ring. He definitely wasn't coming off. Oh, 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 oh. Got him. Oh, yes. Finally. That was a good one.
Yeah, see, they just got out in the deepest.
Well, that's a wrap for that. We're about to load this bad boy up, take it to the house. I appreciate y'all watching. I know we didn't catch a whole lot of big fish. Got a lot of fish, little peckerheads. As always, though, nice to get out here, get out of the water, and at least snatch some lips. Appreciate y'all watching. Smash that like button for me, and I'll see y'all next time.